Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my toy review of the s.h.figuarts Mask Rider Gatack. I know. He has been around for quite some time, and probably you already saw my DX Mask Rider Gatack. It's just that I was just late in collecting these figures since last year, August. So I'm just completing the whole set. But still, I just want to show you this because it came with the bike for free. I'll just show you Gatack first. Of course, the old s.h.figuarts box design, gray, black and white letters, Kabuto's logo at the bottom, Bandai, Toei, and quick look on the sides, and at the back for profile pictures of Gatack. So let's open this. So Gatack has 4 kinds of hands: holding hand and grabbing hand, and 2 blades. So I'll just give you a quick tour of Gatack, and then we'll proceed directly to the bike. So this is the figure. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I think you already know he has the type 1 or type 2 body type, swiveling head, arms, double jointed elbow, which is very well hidden, swiveling hand on a hinge, movable leg with an extra joint, swiveling torso, and no swiveling. Although the waist does swivel from left to right, it's limited. Double jointed knee, ball joint, and no, not the ball joint, but a hinge on the foot. Swivels here, and a hinge on the toe. So well, Gatack is in metallic blue. The belt isn't designed well because like other s.h.figuarts, earlier s.h.figuarts, it lacks more detail than today's s.h.figuarts. So it doesn't have much detail. Although there's a hole over here, it doesn't make sense because it doesn't have a perfect sector. Shoulder pads do move up and down. Same compound eyes, but unlike my DX figure, he has bigger horns and very well proportioned. So rider cutters, or yeah, I think it's called cutters. Yeah, 2 blades, you connect them together to form the rider cutting. Does move and fits well on Gatack. Probably you've already seen that with other toy reviews on s.h.figuarts Gatack, so I won't go through the details. But what's interesting is the bike. So this is his bike. It's probably made for the cast-off riders, since it has the logo over here, CORM, cast-off rider machine, Gatack on the bike itself, and how the figure stands on the bike. So although I won't show you the DX version of Gatack standing on the bike, but since the s.h.figuarts version of it is here, I'll use it. I forgot to show you what's on the side. Change, just like Gatack. It's the same on the other side. At the back, features like how to convert this one into the flying beetle bike. So that's it. DX Gatack extender. Now I remember. So let's open. It has instructions, but we don't need it because it's easy to do. So let's put Gatack aside. Everything aside. Move! Move! So this is the bike. When you take it out, it's already in flying mode. To convert this into a bike, just flip everything up and close the handlebars, or push the handlebars to be connected, and these just put it back. So that's nice. In bike mode, it does look nice, especially the color schemes. The wheels do turn, no springs for the back wheels, and that's it. So you can't just pull the horns, I think they're horns of the stag beetle. It doesn't pull out. So to return this into flying mode, I forgot, there's a kickstand for convenience. All you need to do is just split the whole thing open, and the horns do pop out automatically. So just flip the handlebars further and oops, place it down on the floor. That's so easy. I forgot to mention that there are wheels also at or beneath the Gatack extender, so you can move that bike forward and backward. So how does it play with Kamen Rider Gatack? Simple. Just make him stand if you like. So I'll just pan this. Oops. I'll just pan my camera farther. Make him stand. Try not to make him fall. Sometimes it helps when you put him on a pose. It doesn't have to be it doesn't have Gatack doesn't have to place his feet on these feet markings. Just make him stand in any position you want. So let me adjust. So does he fall when I move? Just be careful, he doesn't. So it's quite steady when you move him from left to right. Oh, I also forgot to mention, brain farts. My Gatack version isn't suffering from the bow-leggedness, so that's great when I got him. He's not new, he's secondhand. It's just that someone is trying to sell me this for a cheaper price, and he just wants his Kamen Rider collection be disposed. Do you think the bike is worth it? It was given me for free, so it is. But if you want to take one of this, yeah, sure. I'll show you how comfortable our s.h.figuarts is in bike mode. So I'm not placing the folding hands anymore, but I just want you to show. I want to show you that with a certain pose does fit well. So that's nice. So it means that even for the for the DX version of Gatack. Does fit in every 1/16. I'm not so sure about how it is, but yeah, just bad in doing it. So that's it about s.h.figuarts Gatack and the Gatack extender. If you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out my photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot for my full written review. Also my Facebook and Twitter. This is Firestarter. Thank you very much, and until my next review.